ayun, I didn't have time. I was quite sick. Actually, dun ako nagkilamos sa loob actually. So he complimented my duster kasi it's the same one that I used to wear when we would sleep beside each other. So, oh, thank you. So I think it kind of gave him a glimpse of home, yung pambahay ko. And ayun, I was blabbing about family, of course. It's the same thing. And then biglang may langaw. So, hindi siya nakikinig sa akin. Hinuli niya yung langaw. Sabi ko, "Uy, are you listening to me?" Sabi niya, he was distracted today because of the flight, apparently. But towards the latter part of our conversation, he's happy to hear that the family is doing well, and of course he was checking up on me because I told him before coming here I had to run to the pharmacy to get some medications. Ayun, he said as long as I'm doing okay, he's fine. And I told him that all of you are waiting here today, so he sends his warm love and regards, of course, and then he says na no regrets and no apologies. He did what he could for this country. So, and then ayun hi daw sa inyo. Sabi ko, do you want to say something? Because all of them, they wait outside for you every day. So, hello, and his love and gratitude, and ayun, yung message.
Now, can you accommodate the first timers at least for pictures? The first
Okay,
timer.
can we do it?
Yeah. Oh, first timers. Go.
Ay. It's okay.
Ano man ang cellphone?
He is visited, but I also brought him a few documents.
Yeah, Doritos. Okay. Okay, yan na ba yung picture mo?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, set, go.
You're very beautiful.
Were you able to talk about Kedaya?
Yes, I was able to mention. And then sabi ko, malungkot ka ba? Walang prutas.
Picture na diha.
Kasi wala ka. Then sila.
1, 2,
Thank you.
Bakit nawala? Wait, ka muna.
Picture sa inyo yan.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, kayo na. 1.
Ako next.
Okay, next.
Ako sa akin.
1, 2. Okay, next.
Hi, Kitty. Hi.
You're gonna take a photo with me, Shanna. Yeah. Can you get my phone? I'm gonna take a picture for you.
Hello. Thank you.
Next.
Ay guys, naka-picture na ako with Kitty. Thank you.
Uh-oh.
Sana.
Yeah.
Go.
Nice picture.
Wait, kung may timer. 1.
Okay, next. First timers na. Yeah, go. Camera mo.
Thank you.
Okay, go. Sino pang first timers? First timer. First timer. Okay,
Picture si Art.
Dr. President.
1, 2,
Baliktad yung kamera niya sa isa. Baliktad.
Pwede pa naman time clip kasi nagtingin ka sa picture na
Dali na lang ka. Tingnan mo daw.
Go. 1,
dugan mo tan. Here.
No,
Look here, baby.
Camera?
Are you home?
Here. Look
May
here.
timer dahil. Naka-timer na ini.
Iyan.
Okay, wala nang first timer?
Sila.
Yeah, go. No, first timers, ha? Okay, go.
Isa pa.
Damihan mo tipos. Pabilisan mo ganun.
Naka-timer kasi siya.
Okay, last dalawang first timers, na? Okay.
Teka lang. Okay na.
Okay na, ma'am, sir, go.
May timer na sila.
Ikaw kumukuha.
Naka-timer ni Kuya.
Okay. Next.
Sino nagkuha?
Everyone, wala nang first timers? Okay, sign Duterte Street. We will put Duterte Street.
Usog na.
Let's go.
Nag-abot ko. Oh, nag-abot. Katie, pwede
Okay, group
mag-picture.
picture.
Time sa wait lang, attorney silang tatlo.
Ilang tatlo?
Kian, take a picture with Kitty with Cheyenne. Yeah, the three of you. Yeah, dali na, Kian. Ari po dahil, yeah. La, thank you.
Okay, the pretty ones. One group picture. Because she's not. As you heard. No more.
My dad kasi requested to buy him something.
Okay.
So, mag-picture yung
Group,
Yung group.
group picture last na.
siya.
Oo.
Kaya,
Dito na umarap. Okay.
Ako na.
Set.
Charot ka, ikaw exciron ba?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
O pagani? Yeah.
Okay. One last activity kasi merong celebrate ang birthday or Nadine.
Ay, may birthday today. May kaon dito ba? Sayang.
dito ba?
Diyan.
Happy birthday, Nalin. All of us would like to greet you on your special day. May God bless you. You take care always. I wish you good health, a long and prosperous life. Stay happy and healthy. And I hope to see you soon.
Ma'am,
Happy birthday na.
Happy birthday.
ako pa usabi. Ma'am, Lucky Charm. Happy birthday, Lucky Charm.
Happy birthday, Lucky Charm. God bless you and I hope to see you soon.
Yeah.
Ito siya.
Tuktukon ko ana niya dili ko makain. Okay na. Thank you.
Oo, ano yung sabi niya? Kasi sabi ko, ano kung sabi mo kay mama? Sabi niya na my only woman for eternity.
Da. Very good. Makada-da.
Makadada impas. Ay, ano ba? I have flowers.
Thank you, Kitty. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I already submit the.
Okay.
I already question about.
Sweet. Guys,
Okay, then.
Thank you for today, Kitty. Gusto mo nito yung balik-balik.
Okay. Thank you.
Bago na siya, oh. Inaupag Siron. Dali. Yatis.
Iron, ha?
Salamat, Day.
Bye-bye.
amping. Oh, my God. Napamaka-picture.
Bye. Okay, let's go.
Bye!
And live.
Ay, yan po ang ulat kay Kitty Duterte. Hanggang bukas, magkakaroon po siya ng ulat ulit. At syempre, meron din tayong Fox Hour bago ang report ni Kitty Duterte. No? So mukhang okay naman si Tatay Digong. Mukhang okay din na nakaduster si Kitty nung bumisita. Dahil para sila ay nasa bahay lamang. At well, masaya na malungkot. Masaya dahil nakita sila malungkot. Dahil syempre, parang nasa bahay lamang sila at wala sila sa kanilang mga tahanan.
Hello, brothers.
Okay, hanggang bukas po ha. Ito po Newsbox ng Bayan. Sasabi, love you Philippines. The only country that I have, only country that I will love. God bless the Philippines.